Hi, everybody. It's me, Teresa Perrin, and I was very excited to bring you this video regarding the news that Mullen had today. However, I went to go check my sources, and I think you're going to be quite surprised by what I found, as I am. So I will preface this by saying that I have been a Mullen bull for quite some time. However, as you know, if you are familiar with my channel, there are some red flags that I have seen that I question. And with the news today, I decided to do a little digging, and in this video, I'm going to share what I found. So let's get started. Please remember, nothing I say is financial advice, and always do your own due. Okay, guys, Benzinga came out with this article today that says Mullen Automotive has chosen Randy Marion Automotive, RMA, as its first dealer group partner for its commercial EV lineup. Mullen's commercial EV lineup is set to launch in the U.S. in 2023. The lineup includes Class 1 to 3 cargo van and cab chassis offerings and Bollinger Motors Class 4 through 6 chassis products. We are excited to bring on such a tremendous dealer partner that is so well respected and recognized throughout the commercial industry, said Chairman and CEO David Mitchery. Mullen's EV development portfolio includes the Mullen 5 EV crossover, Mullen Commercial Class 1 through 3 EVs, and Bollinger Motors, which features both the B1 and B2 electric SUV trucks and Class 4 through 6 commercial offerings. Mullen shares are trading higher by 9.79% at 0.2119 in pre-market after that was announced, guys. Well, let me show you how we ended the day. We were up 10.78% today, and we are flat in the after hours. Now, guys, to be perfectly honest with you, on news like this, I would have expected us to rip. And looking at the daily chart, we have an ugly head and shoulders pattern. You can see that clearly it formed the head and shoulders, broke back down, starting to come back up. But guys, it didn't break below that neck, which you would generally see in a head and shoulders. So hopefully, being that it's only on the 5-minute chart, it does not continue because this is very, very ugly. Now, given the fact that we were only up 10%, and yes, 10% is huge in a day, don't get me wrong, but when you're trading in Pennyland at 19 cents, 10% is only 2 cents, guys. Let's get real here. And we are down like 96% on the year. So I would have expected us to break a quarter on this news. So I started asking myself, why didn't we? And I said, do some DD. So here's what I came up with. First, I wanted to see what this Randy Marion thing was, RMA, let's call it, because that's what its initials, and where it's located. So first, before I show you that, I got this. Welcome to Randy Marion. Randy Marion's an automotive group is one of the largest car dealerships in the Carolinas. Great, right? Nestled just north of Charlotte, North Carolina, in the Lake Norman area, our dealerships have all the vehicles that you will need. We have the right balance of automotive brands. You can visit Randy Marion Chevrolet in Morrisville, North Carolina. And while you are there, why not stop by and see Randy Marion Subaru? Between the two of them, you can find all the new Chevrolet, Buick, Cadillac, and Subaru vehicles that you could ever need. In Statesville, North Carolina, you can find the vehicle that is perfect for you because we have both great American brands represented with Randy Marion Chevrolet of Statesville and Randy Marion Ford Lincoln. Over in Huntersville, North Carolina, you will find Randy Marion Buick GMC with a huge offering of Buick and GMC products. We are proud to have brought on our newest location in Wilkesboro, North Carolina, Randy Marion Chrysler Jeep, Dodge Ram, and West Jefferson, Randy Marion Ford of West Jefferson. Blah, blah, blah. So, anyways, my point of showing you this was that clearly, they have several dealerships, and they're located sporadically throughout. I chose one because I actually like this location best out of the ones. This one is at 220 West Plaza Drive, and this is the Morrisville location. There are a few, guys, as I just read to you. But I like this one's location specifically because look at what's around it. There's a lot of places that would bring a lot of eyes. Costco, Walmart, Planet Fitness, the Morrisville Festival, Kohl's, Starbucks, Joe Fish, Tony Big Pizza, Target. I mean, you have to admit this is in a great location. That's just one spot because we don't really know where the Mullen's going to end up, right? So, needless to say, I decided to do some digging and went online to ask about it. First person I got was Lauren. And guys, not like processing the whole, this is probably their cargo vans that they're starting with selling. I decided to ask her about specifically the Mullen 5, which was a mistake, but you'll see what I did after. I said, hi, I was wondering about your new partnership with Mullen Automotive in Elms. Hi, my name is Lauren. I'd be happy to help with that. Do you have a specific model in mind? I said, when do you plan to get the vehicles on your lot? My apologies. One moment, please. Guys, so here I'm thinking, this woman has no idea what Mullen is or Elms or anything else. So what is going on here? So it takes a while. And I finally write, I read online today that Mullen has chosen your dealership to be the first to carry their vehicles. Is that correct? And forgive my spelling, you can't see what you're typing for some reason after the first two lines. And she said nothing. I said, hello? She said, let me get with my team about the Mullen 5 for all the details and photos. Oh, I think she had asked me specifically. Sorry, for some reason it skipped that. Oh, weird. All right. I don't know why I don't have that. But I think I told her that I was curious about the Mullen 5. And she said, let me get with my team about the Mullen 5 for all details and photos. What's the phone number for an email to follow up with you? Why this is sticking? Oh, here we go. May I know what it's regarding? Yes, I'm very interested in the Mullen 5 and wondering when you will have it available. I'd be happy to help you with your inventory search. May I have your name? And then that's when I told her about the Mullen 5. I apologize. Let's see. So she says she's going to get with her team and get information on the Mullen 5 and details to follow up. So I gave her my email. Thanks, Teresa. I'll have our sales team follow up with you as soon as possible regarding the Mullen 5 for all details and photos. Is there anything else I can do for you today? I just said I look forward to hearing back from you. Please let me know when you will have the vehicles on site. Thank you for your time. All right, so I left that saying, all right, maybe I should have asked about cargo vans. Let me go to another one of their locations and ask somebody else. So I went to the one that has the Buick and the truck industry. They're, commercial vehicles. And I got Mary. And I said, hi, Mary. I was wondering when you will be getting the Elms and Mullen fleet in stock. She says, do you have a specific model in mind? No, I wanted to see what they had to offer. My apologies. One moment, please. I'm sorry, I do not have information on date on getting the Elms and Mullen fleet listed. However, I will have my team confirm that for you. Are you looking for a sedan, SUV, van, or truck? And I was typing and she writes, are you still with me? I said, I was just interested in seeing the fleet of vehicles. Are you partnering with them? My apologies. One moment, please. I wrote, guys, again, she has no clue what I'm talking about. So I write, it's my understanding that Mullen has chosen your dealership as the first dealer in the country to showcase their fleet. I am sorry, I do not have information on date on getting the Elms and Mullen fleet listed. However, I will have my team confirm that for you. Are you looking for a sedan, SUV, or truck? I was just interested in seeing the fleet of vehicles. Are you partnering with them? I apologize for not having the information handy. I am a liaison for the online support department. While I am a part of the online support team, I have limited access to the information. However, I will have my team confirm that for you. Just to confirm, are you looking to purchase a vehicle? And I write, thank you for your time. I will check back at a later date. Guys, let me just ask you something. If you are partnering with a company, right, and you are about to get a whole new line of fleets, and you own a car dealership, wouldn't you be giving your representatives, your phone, your online support team that news briefing and telling them you may be getting some questions about this today? Here's the plan. Guys, they had no clue what I was talking about. Neither one of them. Now, I am not saying that this news article is FUD, but I am saying it does raise a red flag. I mean, to be perfectly honest with you, because the vehicles aren't on lot yet, maybe they don't have any clue what I'm talking about. But it just seems like there's either poor communication with this dealership or something's not right here. Because why would both of them put me on hold? And I was holding guys like online, like I was doing other things while they were looking this up. That's why you'll see she writes back and it takes me a minute because I was like, oh, my phone, it's back. She's back. Because it was probably about 5 minutes or so. So clearly she was calling around or checking to see what was going on and no one could give her any answers. Both of them, same thing happened twice. So little concerning, and that may be why Mullen's price did not react the way we would have liked it to, because I'm willing to bet that on Wall Street, if they're seeing something like this and they're thinking, should we consider buying the stock? They're going to do their DD. And if they did their DD and they got the results that I got, kind of makes you have to wonder. Love to hear your thoughts below. Again, please keep in mind, I am a Mullen bull, but I'm tired of the BS as well. And us not getting enough detailed information or getting something of substance that's going to make this stock move. You know, it is what it is, guys, but this is upsetting. So let me know.